My name is Anushka Ajith, and I'm the Senior Lecturer and Qualitative and Mixed Methods Specialist in the Teaching and Learning Unit in the Faculty of Commerce, Law and Management. And when I think of June 16th, it makes me think about access to education and whether we actually have addressed that problem. So when students come to university, it's not just about them having access to the university, that is getting access to the classroom and also obtaining their qualification, but it's also about different things. Access to the discourse in education, like whether they feel comfortable and confident in the work that they do at the university. And part of my work is to help them gain that confidence in research methodology. So I do this by supporting them by conducting workshops in research methodology, specifically with them developing their research questions, looking at research approaches and study designs, as well as their data collection methods and also data analysis. And it's like a scaffolded approach to support them in not only research methodology, but in developing their research proposals. So the discourse around research methodology may be different for different students, because some postgraduate students may have a research background and may be more confident in the classroom and ask questions, whilst others that have not done research before may feel intimidated and not ask the questions that they need to be asking. So my job is then to create a safe space or a space where students can be confident in asking these simple questions. We also support them by having individual consultations in addressing any challenges they have with research methodology, and hoping to build that confidence and letting them gain that access to the research methodology discourse. Another challenge is that many of the postgraduate students are professionals and have full-time jobs, and they're doing their studies part-time. So to ensure access, we also upload all our recordings of our workshops and seminars onto the learning management system, or WASI, so that they have access to the recordings. We also upload valuable resources that they can use in their own time. One of the most rewarding parts of this job is where you see that transition and transformation of research methodology knowledge with students, where they move from I've read so much and I don't understand to I feel more confident now, and that I think is the most rewarding part of my job. So I am a qualitative and mixed methods research specialist, and with qualitative research I find it and mixed methods research, I find it very relevant, because we ask not only what is happening, but how it is happening, which is very relevant to June 16, and also about us questioning how we teach, how do students learn, and how are we making education more accessible and equitable for all of our research students. And that's what makes my work enjoyable, and I hope in some small way that I am making these challenges much more easier for my students, and also most importantly building their confidence with research methodology.